Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove background from picture. So if you have any picture and you want to remove the background of your picture, there are a lot of applications are doing the same work. If you go to Canva, if you go to some random, but it will not be perfect. If you go for any application, you will upload your picture and if you remove the background, maybe your finger will be cut out, your head will be cut out. So I will show you the easy way to do this. So for this, first of all, just open up the Google Chrome here, and then in the search bar you just have to go for this remove background, and now just tap on this first website. You can see this remove.bg. So this is very easy and simple website. You just have to tap on this upload image, and now let's say I want to go for this image. Tap on this done. It will be loading and you will see this my background has been removed in just one clip. So you can download it. For this you can't go for this download HD because you have to get paid for this. Just tap on this download and your picture will be downloaded. Now if I tap on this open, you can see this my background of the picture has been removed and it's perfect. So that's it for this video. That's how you can easily remove background for picture. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.